Welcome to our channel, where we are all about harnessing the power of the sun. Solar energy is a great way to reduce energy costs and help protect the environment, but the cost of installation can be a concern. That's why we're here today to talk about why hiring a specialist is the better and more cost-effective choice for installing solar panels. In this video, we'll be exploring the benefits of hiring a specialist, including their expertise and experience, quality of work, warranty and customer support, cost savings, and compliance with regulations. So, sit back, grab a pen and paper, and get ready to learn why hiring a specialist is the smarter choice for your solar panel installation. Let's get started. Solar energy is a clean and renewable source of energy that is gaining popularity as a way to power homes, businesses, and communities. Installing a solar construction is not only an environmentally friendly choice, but it can also save you money on your energy bill. In this guide, we will cover the steps for purchasing and installing a solar construction, as well as the insurance requirements that come with it. Step 1. Determine your energy needs. The first step in installing a solar construction is to determine your energy needs. This includes the size of your property, the amount of electricity you consume, and the location and orientation of your roof. You'll want to consider these factors to determine the size and type of solar construction that will best meet your needs. Step 2. Shop for a solar construction. There are several ways to purchase a solar construction, including online retailers, local suppliers, and solar contractors. When shopping for a solar construction, consider the quality of the panels and components, warranty and customer support, cost and financing options, and installation services and support. You'll want to do your research to find the best option for you. Step 3. Hire a professional installer. Installing a solar construction requires specialized knowledge and equipment. For this reason, it's recommended that you hire a professional solar installer. They will ensure that your solar construction is installed safely, efficiently, and in compliance with all regulations. Here are some reasons why you should hire a professional. Reason 1. Expertise and experience. Solar panel installation requires specialized knowledge and expertise. A specialist in solar panel installation has the experience and knowledge necessary to ensure that your installation is done safely, efficiently, and in compliance with all regulations. This expertise can save you time, money, and potential headaches in the long run. Reason 2. Quality of work. Specialists are trained and equipped with the tools and equipment necessary to perform high-quality work. When you hire a specialist, you can be confident that your installation will be done right the first time with minimal disruptions and downtime. On the other hand, DIY installation can result in mistakes and poor workmanship, which can lead to costly repairs and maintenance in the future. Reason 3. Warranty and customer support. When you purchase a solar panel installation from a specialist, you are typically also purchasing a warranty and customer support. This means that if something goes wrong with your installation, you can contact a specialist for support and they will take care of it. This can save you money in repairs and maintenance, as well as provide peace of mind. Reason 4. Cost savings. Hiring a specialist to install your solar panels may seem more expensive at first, but in the long run, it can actually save you money. Specialists have access to bulk discounts on materials and equipment, which they can pass on to you. Additionally, their expertise can ensure that your installation is done right the first time, reducing the need for costly repairs and maintenance. Reason 5. Compliance with regulations. Solar panel installation requires compliance with regulations and building codes. A specialist in solar panel installation is familiar with these regulations and will ensure that your installation is done in compliance. Failure to comply with regulations can result in fines, legal penalties, and even the removal of your solar panels. Hiring a specialist eliminates these risks and ensures that your installation is done legally and safely. Step 4. Apply for permits and inspections. Before installing a solar construction, you will need to obtain the necessary permits and inspections. Your installer will be able to help you with this process, but be aware that some states and localities may have specific regulations regarding the installation of solar constructions. Make sure to obtain the necessary permits and inspections to ensure that your installation is in compliance with all laws. Step 5. Consider insurance. Installing a solar construction can affect your insurance coverage. Some insurance companies may require additional coverage or endorsement for a solar construction. Before installing a solar construction, make sure to review your insurance policy and contact your insurance company to determine any changes or additional coverage that may be required. Rules and regulations for solar insurance. Coverage for physical damage. Solar insurance typically covers physical damage to the solar panels and components, such as damage from weather events or accidents. Coverage for loss of power. Solar insurance may also cover the loss of power or production from your solar construction due to physical damage or other covered events. Limitations. Solar insurance may have limitations, such as exclusions for pre-existing conditions or wear and tear. It's important to understand any limitations or exclusions before purchasing a policy. Deductibles. Solar insurance may have a deductible, which is the amount you will need to pay out of pocket before insurance coverage begins. The deductible may vary depending on the type of coverage and the policy. When considering the cost of hiring a specialist, it's important to note that the cost of solar panel installation will vary depending on various factors, such as the size of your home, the type of panels you choose, and your location. The cost of labor can also vary depending on the specialist you choose and the region you live in. To get the best value for your money, it's recommended to get multiple quotes from different specialists and compare prices. In conclusion, installing solar panels is a great way to reduce energy costs and help protect the environment. However, the cost of installation can be a concern for many homeowners. While DIY installation may seem like a cost-effective solution, in reality, hiring a specialist is often the cheaper option. Hiring a specialist for solar panel installation offers numerous benefits, such as expertise and experience, quality of work, warranty and customer support, cost of savings, and compliance with regulations. A specialist has the knowledge and experience necessary to ensure that your installation is done safely, efficiently, and in compliance with all regulations. Their expertise can save you time, money, and potential headaches in the long run. Additionally, specialists are trained and equipped with the tools and equipment necessary to perform high-quality work and provide a warranty and customer support for peace of mind. Hiring a specialist can also result in cost savings, as they have the access to bulk discounts on materials and equipment and can ensure that your installation is done right the first time, reducing the need for costly repairs and maintenance. Finally, compliance with regulations is essential, and a specialist in solar panel installation is familiar with these regulations and will ensure that your installation is done legally and safely. By choosing to hire a specialist, you can enjoy the benefits of solar energy for years to come with peace of mind. And that's a wrap for today's video on why hiring a specialist is a cheaper option for installing solar panels. We hope that this information has been helpful and informative for you. If you're considering installing solar panels, remember to take the time to research and compare different options to find the best solution for your needs. Don't forget to like and share this video with your friends and family who might also be interested in harnessing the power of the sun. And if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos and sustainable energy solutions. Until next time, stay green and keep saving on your energy bills with solar power. Thank you for watching.